The breather strengthens your breathing so you can breathe easier, take fuller breaths, and enjoy an overall better quality of life. It's proven to improve respiratory health, including those with breathing-related issues. Superscript 1 Young or old, fit or healthy? It doesn't matter. If you want to strengthen your breathing, the breather is perfect for you. Why it works? Backed by real science. Your body needs oxygen, both mentally and physically, to perform at its best. The breather helps your body do this naturally and easily by providing a simple training exercise that can be used to strengthen your breathing, using a process called respiratory muscle training, RMT. Breathing resistance created by the breather applies a safe workload to strengthen your respiratory muscles, just like lifting weights at the gym applies a workload to other muscles to achieve strengthening. Whether you suffer from a chronic respiratory condition, get tired easily, or show signs of aging, the breather is here to give you back the life you love. After properly using the breather for just a couple of weeks, customers begin to report all sorts of incredible benefits, even if you're healthy. Clearer, fuller, and deeper breathing. Better physical performance and stamina. Improved focus and reduced stress. Naturally clears your lungs and strengthens your breathing. Training with the breather does two incredible things: it strengthens your respiratory muscles for breathing, and strengthens your ability to keep airways clear by making coughs stronger and more productive, helping naturally clear excess phlegm and mucus buildup in the airways. 4. The breather has been scientifically engineered alongside doctors and scientists from around the world. The result is the world's biggest breakthrough in RMT devices, featuring an FDA-registered and medical-grade design that's 100% safe, no prescription required. Hundreds of studies back the effectiveness of respiratory muscle training, RMT, which helps relieve symptoms from asthma, atelectasis, bronchiectasis, emphysema, COPD, bronchitis, and more. The breather's compact size fits right in your bag or pocket, making it easy to bring along wherever life takes you. No batteries or refills are needed. The breather uses the power of your breath, so you never have to worry about recharging or running empty or monthly charges. Enjoy unlimited access to on-demand training videos, demos and downloads to build your confidence and success with the breather. As you progress, the Breather Breathing Coach smartphone app provides training plans based on your needs. Beautifully designed by medical experts. Adjustable dials, independent intensity control lets you easily control your training. Detachable mouthpiece, make cleaning both easy and convenient. 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not 100% satisfied with the breather, you can easily return it, hassle-free. Scientifically tested and proven results. Tested and refined with help from clinicians and scientists all over the world. Free, fast shipping in the USA. We provide fast, free shipping all over the USA. Here's what you'll find in your breather kit. Your new breather device with 6 inspiratory and 5 expiratory settings. 2 mouthpieces, including an original comfort mouthpiece and a 15mm to 22mm adapter. Unlimited access to on-demand training videos, demos and downloads to build your confidence and success with the breather. Free access to the Breather Coach app, which guides you through breathing sessions. As you progress, Breather app provides training plans based on